Abby, Bridget, and 4 of their classmates will be seated in 2 rows of 3 for a group picture as shown. If the seating positions are assigned randomly, what is the probability that Abby and Bridget are adjacent to each other in the same row or the same column? So it's true that Abby or Bridget could be seated in a middle seat, which are these, or an edge seat, which are these 4. And based on if they're in a middle or an edge, there will be different possibilities for sitting adjacent to them. So let's first look at the probability of if, let's say, Abby or Bridget sits in a middle seat and they're adjacent to one another. So first, the probability of sitting in that seat or this seat is going to be 2 out of the 6. So 2, 6. And then given wherever they sit, let's say, doing this again here, let's say that Abby sits there, then there are 3 options for sitting adjacent to her. So of the 5 seats that are left, someone could sit here, here, or here. So of the 5 seats left, there's a 3/5 chance then that they are sitting next to each other. So total probability of, if you're in a middle seat, then they're going to be adjacent is 6/30. And then the probability of being in an edge seat and also being adjacent is going to be, if we draw this out again, so since there are 4 edge seats, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's a 4/6 chance that one of them is sitting in an edge seat. And then let's say we pick an edge seat. So let's say that Abby is sitting here. Then of these 5 seats left, 2 of them are adjacent. So then there's a 2/5 probability that they're adjacent. So total probability here is then going to be 8/30. So therefore, the probability that they're next to each other is going to be these 2 probabilities added up. So 6/30 plus 8/30 equals 14/30, which when simplified is 7/15 probability. So the answer is choice C.